Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change letter size and kerning on Wix. So for this one, let's get started. So what we need to do is you can just locate what type of text you want to edit. So for me, I'll edit this one where here which is the lemon squeezy. So let's head over and click on this lemon squeezy right here. Then once you have clicked on that, you'll be able to see in here this text right here. Click on edit text. And then once you have clicked on edit text, it will open the text settings. So just scroll down until you can see this character and line spacing. So expand that, and in here you can see the character spacing. So when you increase that, it will increase also the spaces between those characters. So for example, we want to change it into 0.15 just like that. Then it can be changed like that. Now let me teach you how to kern. So kern is you can actually just choose a letter that you want to separate from a specific letter as well. So for example, I want to kern this first E right here. Now I can just adjust the character spacing right here. And once you have adjusted, as you can see, they actually look spaced. So that is what you call a kerning. So once you're done with everything, just click on publish right here and you should be able to see the latest changes that you have made on your website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to learn how to kern and change the spacing of your text. If you have questions, just comment them down below. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.